Well, happy Tuesday. As I said yesterday, the stroker kit that we have, we're going to sit here, kind of explain what we put in our kit. That way everybody knows what's in it and why we use this kit instead of just buying a kit that has 2 head gaskets, two standpipe, and 2 dummy plug. That's not a kit. I know it may be cheaper, but at the end of the day, piecing it together, it's going to be a lot more. Here we go. We use the Molly kit, which you can see comes with valve covers. Yes, it comes with both head gaskets, so you can see intake, exhaust. If you don't buy an oil cooler kit, okay, it already has everything in it all ready to go. You don't have to worry about buying extra gaskets. It has everything you need for the top end. Also, for the EGR cooler, all that stuff, turbo, intake, this is all in this kit. It's got the guide pins, the valve cover bolt grommets. If you are going to do resurface the heads, guides. It's got your breather vent O-rings. It's got your glow plug harness O-rings. Your injector O-rings. It's got all three sets here. So you got your coppers, your blues, your blacks, your whites, and also the oil rail nipples with valve covers. I think I already said that. Now, obviously, majority of this is already with that kit. This is a Ford oil cooler. I think it's a new old stock, but I'm not really sure on that. Give you an idea. Comes with, on the 04 and up, 2 standpipes, 2 dummy plugs. I know I only have one in the picture, just to give you an idea. IPR screen, blue spring kit, which majority of that comes in that kit right there, minus the blue spring. 05s get the SCT fitting. The other ones get the J tube right off the top of the high pump. It does seal, we do seal the top and bottom of the pump. ARP studs, sorry. There's the SCT fitting, forgot to show you that. We do use an XDP oil cooler, or not oil cooler, coolant filter with the Donaldson filter, Ford's oil filter, ARP head studs, EGR cooler depending on what the customer wants. We can use bulletproof, we can use Dorman. Yeah, I'm sure I'm gonna get hell for that, but at the end of the day, there's really no difference. I've not had one of these fail in 10 years. It's been on my truck for, I want to say 7 years, and it's never failed. D-gas bottle, Schaefer's oil and Cat ELC coolant. This gives you a very good description on what's in our Stroker Solutions kit. So now